Wanna know how to sort your characters in ascending order? But no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how we will be able to sort characters of a string in ascending. So first, we simply take a string and convert it into a character array. So we use two char array methods. So as you can see right here on the sixth line, we can see we have converted the character into two char array. So what this does is, in this way, each character gets its own position inside the array. Then we call arrays.sort on that array, which arranges all the characters from the smallest to largest according to Unicode values. So letters get sorted alphabetically, and finally we print them back as a string. For example, if we type hello, the result comes in EHLLO according to ascending order. So that's it. That's how you easily sort out characters in Java. So I'm just going to run this code to show you how it works. And there you go, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.